guys, it's Rameriz. Welcome back to another video. I'm currently filming in a bathroom, so it is probably so echoey and I cannot wait to edit this video and hear how shitty the audio is. I'm in a washroom because it is the only good lighting I could get right now, and I received my swap box from my friend and I am so excited to open it. I cannot wait till the morning, so I had to sit here for good lighting, and I'm sorry for the audio. I'll try to never do it again, but I'm just too excited to open this and we need to do it right now. 3, 2, 1. We have this huge package from Nessa Ramirez. I hope I'm saying her last name right. She is a follower of mine, a friend of mine now. She came to me with the idea that we should collab, and then she said we should do a swap box, and I was like, shit, I've always wanted to do a swap box. So we set a limit of $50 before the shipping, and let me just say, she spent $67 on shipping. Yes, are you wild? I feel so bad. Shipping is so expensive. Then again, this box is literally bigger than my future, so basically we put random stuff in it. She's from the States. I've never been to the States, only once in an airport for like 12 hours. Didn't escape the airport, didn't see US at all. Whew. There's literally tape stuck to my hand. I'm so excited, and if you guys want to see what I got her, I'll leave her link down below, so don't forget to go watch it. Show her some love. Like her video, subscribe if you want. You should subscribe though. She actually is the cutest person I've ever freaking met. By the way, when the post guy brought this to my house, he literally went 1 second later, walked up the stairs, the guy was freaking out of there. You know when those memes like about the post delivery guys and they like go and they literally leave? That's dead ass what happened. Got my handy dandy rusty scissors right here. Let's go ahead and I'm so excited, yeah. I suck at opening gifts and I suck at reacting, so if I don't react properly to something, don't take it the wrong way. I know I'm gonna love everything. I love every gift I get. I hope nothing's broken. I literally don't have a clue what she got me. Oh my god. I can't cut. Okay, she literally, I wanted to do this too, but I couldn't find it anywhere. This is already the cutest thing ever. I should keep that for the next time we do a swap box. Wait. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Do you see this? She decorated around the box. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. I did not like reach those standards at all. Here's the box. I just ate, ow! My life is literally falling apart. I bit the box, I hit my cartilage piercing, and then I died. Oh my god, there is so many things in here. I wish I could give you guys a better angle. Ooh, I don't want anything to fall out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just start grabbing stuff because why not? Oh shit, this is heavy. First of all, I love her writing. A little something to write out your ideas or your thoughts. She wrapped everything. I feel so bad I did not wrap anything. Oh god, I already see gold notebook. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I feel so cool. I'm getting like American things. Is that weird? I'm gonna cry because like I already know her gift is gonna be like so much better than mine. I love freaking colored pens, especially purple pens, because I like to decorate my notes, so thank you. This is definitely gonna come in handy. Oh, I love the gold side pages right now. If you didn't get it from the message that she wrote on the sticky note, she got me a notebook. The sides are gold, so literally like, wow. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's lined. I'm like, see like what I mean? Like I just react to literally everything. Like, oh my god, it's lined. Like no shit, it's a notebook. But like some notebooks aren't lined, and this is gonna be perfect. Thank you so much. I will definitely use this to write down my thoughts, or I don't really want to use it for school notes because I write so messy because the professors talk like super duper freaking fast and they don't let me freaking write anything down. But this is gonna go to great use. Oh, this one's a little squishy. I'm gonna guess what it is. I think it's like a bag. Just a cute little bag with goodies inside. It was a bag. If we ever do a swap again, I swear I will wrap each and everything so beautifully for you. I wanna cry. This is so cute. Let's see what's inside this bag. So it's this really cute like makeup bag or like literally travel bag, anything you want it to be. Oh my god, there's so many things. Girl, I need lip balm because winter is it's not even winter. It feels like winter. It feels like winter in Canada. It's chapping my lips. And EOS is a freaking OG. I literally bought these when I was 9 and like they raised the price to like $5 and I was like, fuck that. So got the EOS. I gotta start moving the stuff I opened onto the crusty dusty floor. Fun. Okay. This girl, like, we need to do swap boxes all the time because you're just providing me with everything I need. It is a Revlon Kiss Balm and I think it would be tinted. She's just supplying me with all the winter needs right now because my lips, girl, right now, they're chapped. Let me open this right now, actually. Oh my god. Crack cocaine. This smells so freaking good. Next, oh shit. Oh, girl, let me tell you. Well, let me tell you all because you're all watching. My face has been breaking out, my forehead, so these. What is it? Charcoal mask. This one is a 2-step eye kit. Yes, thank you, come again. I've got a vitamin C one for when I'm sick. I'll save this one for when I'm sick and I need some vitamin C. Or is it vitamin D? Acne fighting, this is the one I need right now. Oh girl, I missed one. Moisture Balm Sheet Mask by Garnier. And this one's just a hydrating one, which, like I said, everything including my ass gets chapped in the winter time. The bag is still not done. I did not get her this much. Maybe it's like the currency exchange because like Canada is just another EOS, mate. I'm never gonna have to buy lip balm again. I love freaking lip gloss, so thank you. This is a Rimmel London Stay Glossy. I think she spent more than $50 because this is like $6. And then she gave me 2 sprays, so she gave me Body Fantasies Pink Sweet
Today, Junior?
P Fantasy, so when I spell crusty dusty, kissing in the rain. I think she's trying to send me a message that she wants to kiss in the rain, and yes, I'll kiss you. That's everything in the bag, which was way more than enough. Gonna go ahead and just move right along. Whoa, this is heavy, mate. Let's open this up. She used GIMP to tie it. I rate it. How do you even? Ow! Cherry. Okay, fun fact. Since I moved in with my boyfriend, we literally buy new candles. Like, we've already gone through like 5 candles because we just burn them all the time. So this is literally perfect because we are needing a new candle. Oh my god, I think the wax like kind of fell out. I'm not even like exaggerating to be nice because like, you know, people go, that smells so good. This smells like those cherry gummy candies, if you know what I'm talking about. Oh god, I can't wait to like that. Oh, thank you so much. Gonna go ahead and move to the next one. Oh shoot, I don't know if I missed the sticky note on that one. Something to brighten your apartment. The girl knows a lot about my life. We got a bougie candle this time. This is those bougie ass candles with the little freaking like Bath and Body Works. And she just smells like scent. She knows scents. This smells like men. Not really, but like kind of. Coastal Mist. Artsy and crafted in the USA. If Carrie's listening to me outside this washroom, that is so cringe. She's probably like, what the fuck? Although I already know you have beautiful curly hair, I got you a product to test out on your hair. We literally have the same ideas. I was going to do the same thing for her. But I couldn't find the product that I use. There's one product that I literally like swear by, but I couldn't find it. Let me tell you, I have like so many curly hair things and like none of it has worked. And her hair, let me tell you, it looks hydrated and great. This looks like a fucking rat's nest. It's coconut, which is like usually the theme for all of them. The one I wanted to get her is coconut, so if we do, I just killed a fruit fly. That is fucking disgusting. So if we ever do like a swap box, or like if I find that product, I'm going to send it to you. I have your address, so you can't stop me. Curling cream. Can you tell? I need it. Girl, where'd you buy this? Can you tell me where you bought this? Because I wanted to put this in your package. Another bad package, LOL, but I know you have a lot. And I couldn't forget about the cat. I don't know if they would like it, but I tried. Let me tell you right now, it feels like Christmas. So if you want to know what Christmas feels like, hit me up, we'll do a swap box. You definitely spend them more than $50 and it's making me sad. She got us cat treats. More cat treats. I'm allergic to cats, but I love Carrie's cat. So I pet her anyways, just a fun fact. And then she's gonna love these, by the way. These are like, that. Okay, first of all, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And this is like, definitely gonna love. She loves things that roll around, if you know what I mean. This is so cute. It's like a little spring. Oh my god. She's gonna love these. I will try to insert a clip of her playing with them.
Play. Go play. Play with the sky me? Or you like this one? She'll start playing with them at some point. Oh! I know she'll really like them. Look at her, she's getting all excited. You're so cute. You're so cute. There's your toy. Oh, so cute. Say thank you, Nessa.
There is still so much stuff in here. Two. Oh. What? Okay, we literally are the same person. 2 bath bombs, which I will have to use in the upstairs tub because we don't have a tub down here. Thank you so much. I can't wait to relax on my reading week and use these. Another one. This is the other, I'm pretty sure it's the same company. You're gonna have to tell me how to use this because I know how to use this. Is this like the same thing, just different? Because this just says it's a curl activator cream. This is curling cream. Is that the same thing? Clearly I'm uneducated and stupid. Oh my god, I thought we were almost done. This girl went full out. I freaking love Flaming Hot Cheetos. I'm gonna eat these right after this video. You already know. A purple bag. Oh, it's a oh god, no. There was a card this whole time. It literally says read first. I went for everything but the card. To Sherminx, who is me. Hey girl, let me first start off saying how much fun I had doing this box for you. I'm not going to lie, I did go over the budget. I called it! But I had to get you these things that I hope you will enjoy. I'm really excited to see my box when it arrives. I left a little note in a few of the packages so you can read them before opening. That's enough of me talking, so I hope we can collab again very soon. And you should fly out to New York sometime so we can actually meet. Girl, if I had money, I would be in New York right now with you. I'm sorry I took so long to realize that this was here. Thank you so much. I'm gonna just place this thing on the floor. There's 2 more things. Girl went 3 times over the budget. So this package is wrapped awkwardly, but I hope you like this as a challenge with your boyfriend. I'm dead. I'm literally dead right now. She just gave me a whole freaking video idea. And who wants a chapstick challenge? Because I know I do. This is gonna be freaking fun. This is like, wow. Thank you. Comment down below if you guys want to see me making out with my boyfriend. She provided me with the full freaking drinks, and let me tell you, Carrie loves pop, so I think he might be able to ace this. Last but not least, we saved the biggest for last. Candy. This is something to make a video with your girls, or even your boyfriend. She's provided me with 2 video ideas. Okay, I see you, Nessa. Oh, she's making me feel so bad. This is so awesome. You can see what it is, bitch. You already know. She's providing me with literally everything I need in life right now. Thank you so much. This is like the coolest freaking gifts I've ever got, ever. I want to collab with you again. You are freaking me. Like, you're me. You got everything I would ever buy. I can't speak out. That's a hug for you. Thank you. And thank you all for watching me being annoying as fuck. Thank you so much. Wow. Guys, this was only a $50 swap box. So if you guys want to see what I got Nessa, which literally I only went to like $60. I'm so excited to play the Speak Out game. I want to film it right now. I will play Speak Out with my friends because I love my videos with my friends. I feel like I'm literally like FaceTiming you right now, but I love you. Wow, this was actually the awesomest thing I've ever done. This is like my first actual collab. We shipped each other packages. So awesome, guys. Go show Nessa some love. This is crazy. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. So that's it for this video, guys. Comment down below how excited you are to watch my Speak Out and my chapstick challenge video because I'm so goddamn excited. Oh, this is literally upside down. I'm going to eat my flaming hot Cheetos, edit this video, show Carrie everything I got, cry about it, and I'm going to DM you right now because... And I'm out.